In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the app loads, you'll be on the main workspace. We're going to bring a PDF into view first, so look to the upper left corner and click the menu icon. From that menu, choose Open. This will bring up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF where you want to add an image, select it, and click Open again. Give it a moment, and you should see your document displayed on screen. With the PDF open, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the window. You'll see a panel with tools. Find and click Edit. This switches Acrobat into editing mode, which is where image placement lives. In the editing panel, look for the section labeled Add Content. Under that, click Image. Acrobat will prompt you to choose a file, so click Choose Image. Your file browser will appear again. Pick the picture you want to insert. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and click Open. Now Acrobat is ready to place your image. Move your cursor over the PDF and click where you want the image to appear. The image will drop onto the page, and you can adjust it right away. Drag the image to reposition it exactly where you need it. To resize, grab a corner handle and drag in or out. Using the corners helps keep the image proportional so it doesn't look stretched. If you need fine adjustments, zoom in for precision and nudge gently until it aligns with your layout. A couple of quick tips while you place your image. Make sure you're on the correct page before clicking to insert. And consider the image resolution. Higher resolution looks better for printing, while smaller files are fine for on-screen viewing. If you change your mind about placement, don't worry. You can undo instantly using your keyboard's undo shortcut. And if you need to re-choose the picture, simply select the image and remove it. Then use the image option again to pick a different file. Once your image sits where you want it, take a final look at spacing and alignment with nearby text or graphics. Clean placement makes a big difference in readability and presentation. That's it. You've successfully added an image to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Follow these steps whenever you need to insert logos, signatures, photos, or diagrams into your documents.